demand are out of sync and have been for quite some time now, for about a year and a half. Basically, there's roughly twice as much supply as there is demand for solar panels or even other solar components up and down the value chain. So we're very much in an environment of structural oversupply, and it looks like it's going to be that way for possibly the next 6 to 12 months at the very least. So in terms of the impact on manufacturers themselves, what we're seeing is really over the last 6 to 12 months we've seen consolidation get underway. And when I say consolidation, it's a nice word that masks a lot of ugly underlying realities.
While solar cell manufacturers experience layoffs and plant closures due to oversupply, Silicon Solar Solutions of Fayetteville is looking for producers to implement their patented technologies that could save manufacturers increasingly important revenue. CEO Douglas Hutchings says his company's technologies reduce material costs by over 20% and are readily adaptable to manufacturers.
R&D companies that are looking to sell technology, it's a tricky situation in that on one hand the overcapacity means that the demand for new equipment has all but vanished for the last 6 months. We've seen companies that sell equipment to solar manufacturers, their revenues have completely dried up. At the same time, the thing is that solar manufacturing industry is in a race to reduce costs, and one way to reduce costs is technology, improving on technology parameters, manufacturing parameters is a very key lever going forward to continue cost reductions, and companies that ultimately succeed in having the lowest costs will have a significant competitive advantage over the rest of the market. So right now, the thing is, because the balance sheets of manufacturers are so strained, people don't really have much money to spend, the demand for new equipment is almost vanished, like I said. At the same time, there is significant demand for solutions that are not very capital intensive, don't take a lot of, basically, they're retrofits or upgrades rather than as replacements of existing equipment. So the manufacturers opting for evolutionary rather than revolutionary